Hello friends, welcome back. So in last video we were discussing this user Vijay Kumar one, how we can assign MFA to this user. So first option is we can assign by the admin team. Suppose you are working as admin, so you can assign admin by own. Okay, and second thing, if you want this user assign MFA by own, so you have to provide IAM read-only access to this user. Okay, so for now, if I'm clicking this IAM, you will see this user doesn't have any access. Okay, if I will go to security credentials for this user, you will see he doesn't have any access. Okay, so to provide access, what we can do, go to your admin account. Okay, and then go to the permissions. Okay, and then add permissions. Okay, go to direct policy and search IAM, and then search for read-only access. This is the read-only access. Okay, so just click on add permissions. Now go back to this user and now refresh this page. Okay, so see, he is able to. Okay, so see, you don't have any MFA assigned. Assign MFA option is enabled now. Okay, so this user can assign MFA by own. Okay, and don't worry, this user cannot do any other activity, because suppose if this user want to delete this user, okay, if this user will try, it will not work, because it is having only read only access. So you are free, I mean you are good to go. Okay, so let's close this window. So we are done with this user. Okay, and we are going with this user section, and now we are just deleting this user because we don't need this user more. Okay, and I'm requesting you also, you just clear your work after you're done. Okay, so now let's see what is this roles. Okay, this is the most important thing. Okay, so to understand this roles, let me go to EC2 first. Okay, then I can explain you. Okay, so let me launch two instances. One is Windows and one is Linux. Maybe one is fine. Let me go with uh, Windows instance. So this is Windows, and this is IAM Role Access. Okay, this is just a name, so I will use T2 Micro. Okay, key pair, I will not use any key pair. Okay, but we will use key pair later on when we will see EC2 section. For now I am not using it. Okay, so VPC is default, subnet is default, auto assign public IP is enable. Okay, this is also RDP access is fine. It is just to test that roles. Okay, so this is created. Let me go to instance. So it is running. Okay, it is pending. It will run in few times. Before that, let's go to role, create role. Now see, it is asking this is for which service. So let me choose, this is for EC2. Okay, so EC2 will use this role. Okay, so click on next. Now what access you need? Okay, so let me go S3 read only or S3 full access. Okay, next. Okay, here I can see S3 full access for EC2. Okay, this is just a name. So see, this role is assumed by ec2.amazon aws.com. Just click on create role. Okay, so now if I will see this role, you can say this role is available. Okay, so now let's log in this machine. Okay, as I have logged in without key pair, I think I will not able to log in, but let me try to connect this machine if I will get PowerShell. connection. We try. Okay. Okay. So this machine, I think we have to go with this password, but here we cannot get password because we don't have any key. Okay, so no problem. Let me tell you with this another instance. Okay, we will launch a Linux instance. Okay, because Windows instance we cannot connect via browser. Okay, we can connect with SSM, and that is a long process, so I don't want to do that. Let me log in with Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Okay, let me go with this without key pair, allow access, launch this. Okay, it will not take more time. Just be, just see. Let me terminate this Windows instance. Huh? Okay, let me put IAM role access. I just wanted to show you the beauty of this role feature. Let me. It is taking time, but please be with me. Okay, so this is running. Let's wait for some time and let me try to connect this instance using instance connect. Okay, it is not available because this is still launching. Just wait for a few more minutes. If I will get connect option, no. Okay, so let me tell you something. So here, when we are launching the machine without a key pair, okay, if you have a public IP on this machine, okay, you can connect directly via the browser, okay, in the Linux. Okay, so this is why I have not selected any key pair, because for key pair I have to convert the PEM file to PPK and then I have to log in. That process we will see in the EC2 section. Okay, but here just to show you the role, so let's see if we are able to connect. Okay, okay, this options is not there. Let me see. Okay, so see, this is now coming. Okay, so let me go back and just click on here and then just click on connect. Okay, you can see, click on connect. It will show another shell. Now you can see it is establishing a connection. Okay, so see, so good, we are here. Okay, so let me go to switch. So here, if I will type AWS S3 ls, nothing is showing. Okay, because it is showing like you have to configure credentials. Okay, but this configure also is keeping the secret ID and passcode locally. I mean, it's not secure method also. So here we have a feature called IAM access. So what we will do, we will go in IAM, I mean in this EC2, then we will go to instance setting, and then I think somewhere it is in security. Yeah, in security, modify IAM role, and here S3 full access, which we have. Okay, so now that role is attached to this instance. Okay, now go back once again and type up arrow and run this command. See, you are able to see this bucket. Okay, AWS S3 ls S3 colon double slash. If I will type this one, paste, copy and paste, and then slash, you will be able to see the content. Okay, so what we learn from here. So from roles, we can attach to any AWS resource. So currently it is attached to EC2. I mean, in AWS there are n number of resources. Okay, so you can attach resources. I mean, if you want to take the access between the resources, then you can use this role feature. So hope you like this video. Okay, so you can delete this infrastructure. to avoid the surprises bills from AWS. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till now, bye bye.